is officially rattlesnake season here in Texas, and one area hospital is already treating a patient who was bit.
The 6-year-old little boy from Spicewood has been in the hospital for more than a week and continues to fight the infection. KXAN's Lauren Landman has the story from Dell Children's Medical Center.
Sitting in a hospital bed all day is never ideal for an energetic 6-year-old boy.
Yes, I'm gonna fight someone and get him as a person.
Like any other nice Texas day, Kole Black was climbing trees with his sister when he was bit by a Western Diamondback rattlesnake.
Twirled around and then looked at me like this.
Scared, Kole jumped from the tree and ran home, convinced he had only tripped and hurt his leg with a stick.
But he only had one puncture wound, and he assured me he hadn't been bitten, so we just kept a vigilant eye on it.
Within hours, Kole's parents realized that the swelling wasn't letting up, so they brought him here to Dell Children's Medical Center.
I couldn't have got him.
8 days and 30 vials of antivenom later, Kole remains in the hospital fighting a serious infection in his leg.
Nobody wants to see anybody in pain, much less their children.
Although some days are harder than others, Kole's dad says his son remains positive and hasn't lost his sense of humor.
The very first day, he asked for a stuffed snake to sleep next to.
Reporting in Austin, Lauren Landman, KXAN News.
Kole's parents are facing some serious medical bills after his release. According to the family's You Caring site, they're looking at more than $100,000 of medical expenses, with some post-hospital care estimates up to about $275,000. And we wanted to find out why the antivenom costs are so high. According to the Viper Institute at the University of Arizona, it's not the cost of making the antivenom. You can see on this chart that's only 0.1% of the total cost. 70% is attributed to the hospital markup that's later discounted for insurers. The other 28% is tied to licensing and regulatory fees. Researchers say the costs are so high, the same vial of antivenom can cost up to $14,000 in the U.S. and only $200 in Mexico. Same medicine, same manufacturer, but a totally different pharmaceutical market.